Thank you for watching, and in this video I am going to show how you can see exploded view into your assembly, or how you can add your exploded view into the assembly drawing. So exploded view is a great way to show the inside of our assembly. So right now, as you can see, my assembly is here and I already have an exploded view for my assembly. Okay, so as you can see right now I am in assembly. So this is my exploded view here. So if I want to collapse it, what I can do is I can go into collapse items, and then here you can see under this assembly, this is the item. So if I'm gonna click on that, so I am gonna collapse that items. So now you can see I have assembly back. So if you want to have your exploded view, so what you can do is like you can go here into the assembly, and into the ribbon section you can see there is an option which is exploded view. So into the exploded view you can see like we can see exploded view, we can explode a line sketch as well, or we can insert or we can edit smart explode lines as well. If you want to have your exploded view, so I'm gonna go back into the exploded view here and I can go into the exploded view. So like there are different ways how you can add exploded view, like step by step if you want. So the thing is right now I am in the exploded view and here is the explode step. So what I want to do is like I need to select where I want to, which part I want to explode or which step. So I'm just selecting this side, and then what I'm gonna do, as you can see there is a wheel in front of me and I have arrows in every direction. So wherever I want to explode it, suppose I want to explode in this direction, or if you want to explode in another direction, still you can just hold these arrows and then you can explode. So suppose I want to explode in this way, and then here you need to click done. And after that, if you want to have more exploded views for other different parts or items, so what you can do is you can just select any part and then you can just click add step, and then you can see that you have another step here. And if you are fine, or if you want to move it anywhere, any direction, if you want, you can just move. Or again I'm gonna select, and if you want to move here in any other direction, you can move, as you can see. And then if you are satisfied, then you can press done, and then I'm gonna click this green check mark. Before that, like you can see in the exploded step, I have a different steps here, and then if you don't like anything, you can just right click on that and then you can delete, and then you can click the green check mark. Okay, so this is my second exploded view. Maybe I would like to move it into this direction. It looks good. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. The next question is how we can have exploded view into our assembly drawings. So for that, what I can do is I can just go here into the files, and here you can see there is an option make drawing from assembly. So I'm gonna go in it, and here it's gonna ask if do you have any template, or you want to go with the default. Like if you have some template, you can go into the advanced and you can see that you have a different templates, or if you don't have, you can just go into novice back, and then you can just select the default template and then you can click OK. So in this way we are gonna go back into the assembly drawings, and then the first pop-up is like we need to select sheet format. So whatever the sheet format you want to choose, you can just choose, or if you want to have a custom sheet size, you can just choose a custom sheet size, or if you have your sheet size somewhere, so you can just browse. But right now I am just gonna go with the A3, and then I'm gonna click OK. So in this way I can open my my drawing here, and then like as you can see, like I would see like whenever I would come back into the assembly drawing, I would see some model views on the right of the screen. So maybe you need to wait for 5 to 7 seconds, or it depends on your PC performance. Suppose I want to bring this front view here, and then as you can see, like whenever I would bring my front view, and after that, like if I would bring my cursor on the right side, or in diagonally, or top, or left, or bottom, so all other different projected views are available. So I can just insert wherever I want to insert the projected view. Suppose I want to have right view here, then I want to have my isometric view here, and then I want to have my back view here or my left view, this side, wherever you want. And then if you are done, you can just press the escape key on your keyboard. And there is another thing, like if you want to move your top view, so you can see like all the projected view are dependent on this view, and they are also moving as the top view is moving, as you can see. Okay, and the next thing is like if you are gonna change the style of top view, as you can see, if you want to have some shades, so all other views, because those are the projected view from the top view, so that's why they are gonna have the same display style. Or if you want to have some specific display for any specific part, so what you can do is you can just select that. Let's say I want to select this, and then you can choose your display style, whatever the display style you want to have, and then you can click the green check mark. Or there is another options, like what else you can choose is you can choose dimension type, or if you want to have cosmetic thread display, different kind of display, you can have that. So let's click the green check mark. Okay, so if you, as we want to have our exploded view, so what you need to do is you just need to have isometric view. So this is isometric view, so I can have exploded view from this, but I want to have my isometric view and exploded view at the same time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy it, Control C, and then I'm gonna paste here. Okay, when you have isometric view, what you can do is you can just select that isometric view, and then you can see there is an option into the feature manager which is show in exploded or model break state. So I'm just gonna check this, so you can see in this way I have my exploded view in my drawing, as you can see. So this is a great way to show you the inside of your assembly. So in this way, like if the people who wants to mount them or who want to fix this assembly, so they should know like how exactly this assembly is gonna fix, or how exactly these parts are gonna work. So in this way we can see our exploded view into the assembly environment as well, and into our drawings as well. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.